Hello gorgeous, this is Melanie here from Makeup by Melanie B and Melanie B's Unique Boutique. Okay, so what we're going to do is as quickly as possible because I am in the process of going and getting my name changed everywhere after getting married, and what a pain in the butt that is going to be. But I am getting ready to walk out the door and I wanted to do a quick LipSense video because I have been neglecting my peeps, and so I need to like bring y'all back in again so we can all hang out together. All right, so here's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna be using a color and Prism, and I'm gonna try to do a week of this. So this is day one, and this is gonna be Napa with Prism gloss. And the only reason I want to do this is to show you how Prism can completely change the look of certain colors. So I know, technically I could do Prism with every single color there is, and that would get out of control, but I do want to show it, with some of the best sellers and some of people's favorite colors. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get started. Going in with Napa, and here we go. And all I'm doing is taking just what's on my wand and kind of like smoothing out corners. We're gonna let that sit for a minute. And I know this looks like a very hot pink color in this mirror, I mean in this phone right now. I don't know, when I play it back usually it's not quite that way. So I hope it's gonna look like the right color once I'm done. All right, I'm only gonna do 2 layers of this today because I am going to the Social Security Administration office and I really don't wanna go in there with like my lips going, it's not about going out clubbing or anything. I think once I add the Prism gloss though, you're gonna see a huge difference in this color and what is the end result. All right, let's do this. Layer 2. Napa's a gorgeous color. It's always been one of my favorites. Let it dry. All right, here we go. I hope you got enough light, or I have enough light. I'm in a place, I moved my desk and I haven't set up my backdrop yet. So I'm in a place where my mirror won't connect to a charging outlet. So I'm like, yeah, it's not on right now. So I have this light over my head, which might be blowing out too much. I'm not sure. Anyway, Prism gloss. Let's do this thing. Let's end this up. See how this looks. I will take my finger and I'll just blend it out so that I have even distribution everywhere. So you can see that Prism gloss changed that completely. I'm gonna make sure I don't have any outside the lines because I don't want it to look like, got a sparkly face. I just want my lips to sparkle. So, is that not fabulous? Oh, if you have not gotten Prism gloss yet, I do have some in my store. So go check it out. I'll put the link below. It's MelanieB'sUniqueBoutique.com. And the other thing is I am still working on adding a search engine for the website because I realized I hadn't put that on there yet, and it's a pain in the butt to try to find stuff because I have stuff, so many things there, that I will be adding that this week. In the meantime, you would go to the boutique and then you would go down to Makeup by Melanie B or LipSense, and then that's where you will find Prism gloss. All right, let me know if you have any problem finding that. Let me know what you think of this look. You know I have to do this. Hold on, let me move my light a little bit. I will take some pictures and I will be back soon with another Prism combo. Thank you as always for watching. See you back soon.